Guys, this is the unboxing video of Stanley 600W variable speed blower. The model number is STPT600. You can see here it's written. Let me show you guys how it looks from the front. Yeah, this is the model number as you can see, and it comes with 1 year warranty. Let me show you the back side. Let me zoom in. Yes, so you can see it's 600-watt powerful motor for higher tool performance, variable speed control to achieve different applications, 2-in-1 blower and vacuum cleaner. So you can use it as a blower and you can use it as a vacuum cleaner as well. So the price written here is 3,200, but I got it in Amazon at 2,200 and the delivery was within a day. And you can see it's made in PRC, so it's made in People's Republic of China, though the company is European, Belgium based. Okay, let me focus more. Yeah, so it's imported by Stanley Black & Decker India Private Limited. You can see here this company is here in Koramangala, Bangalore. Yeah, let me do a quick unboxing now and show it to you guys what's there inside the box. So I have already unboxed it, so I have removed the package just to show you guys. I'm opening it again. So this is the main head unit. You can see, let me remove it. It's little heavy, but you can still operate. And let me show you. Yeah, model number, same specs. You can see the branding here. Okay, so this is the power cord. The power cord is quite long, about let me show to you how long it is. Yeah, maybe 2 to 3 meter probably, quite long. And you can see from here you can speed up the motor and increase the speed if you want. This is the maximum speed, 6, 5, 4, 3 and minimum. Using this button you can lock the blower, and here is the main switch to control the on off. Okay, so ideally when you want to use it as a blower, what you need to do is you need to connect it like this. Okay, and you need to operate like this. So using this you can blow, and if you want to use it as a vacuum cleaner, then in that case you have to remove it from here and you can connect it over here like this. And this is the dust bag which they have given along with the bag kit, sorry. So you can connect it here. Yeah, you can switch it on and use it like a vacuum cleaner as well. I will recommend it to be used as a blower only, and don't use it as a vacuum cleaner because it is not very effective. You can use it to blow up the dust, and you can also use it to probably dry your dog if you have a pet at your home, but use it at low speed. I use it for cleaning my car air filter as well, and it does the job pretty well. I'm happy with the product. Though it is 600 watt, it's quite powerful and quite effective, I would say. So at 2000 rupees, I would say this product is worth a buy. It's very well built, very good quality, and yes, I will recommend you this product. I am happy using it. Thank you.